The train for Gokala is approaching.
The first time I attempted to travel on Seoul subway, I spent many hours underground wondering if I was ever going to see daylight again. But to be honest, I didn't really do my research on how to use the subway system.
Seoul is teeming with people and traffic, and the subway system is one of the most efficient methods of transportation.
So I'm going to show you how to use it.
I'm going to start here at the express bus terminal and travel to Myeongdong, a very popular shopping and street food location. First, you need your subway card. You'll find these machines in most subways. You need this machine to purchase a subway card. Note the English, Japanese, and Chinese options available. Here I'm clicking purchase and choosing adult. This card is 4,000 won. Simply tap the card option, put in your money, and voila, here is your subway card. Now that you have a card, you need to top up. Using this machine, hit reload the transit card, place the card in the space below, and select how much you would like to top up with, enter your money, and wait.
Now you need to figure out where you're going.
You'll see these subway maps around the stations. Find your starting point and your destination and follow the lines. Here I will need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stops, 1 transfer at Chungmuro for another 1 stop. Alternatively, you can download a smartphone app with this map, or better yet, an app that will simply calculate your route for you. This app does not need Wi-Fi to work. All I need to do is enter my current location and my destination. It will tell me how many stops and transfers I need, as well as the line color and number. Next, you need to scan through to your platform. Signs are everywhere and written in English as well as Korean to tell you where to go. If you are unsure of which side of the platform to go down, look out for these maps that will list the stops and transfer stations so you can check. This will tell you whether to go left or right. You can also find these on the subway doors if you'd like to double check that you're on the right side of the platform or how many stops you need to go. Most platforms will also have these televisions, which will show you how far away your subway is. And listen out for the music. This means that your carriage is now approaching. Be mindful of where you sit. These seats are for pregnant women, older or disabled persons. Subway maps are above the doors in case you need them, and you'll see monitors that tell you which station that you are currently approaching and which side to exit from. This will be accompanied by voiceover in Korean, English, Chinese and Japanese for language options.
이번 역은 명동.
This stop is Myeongdong.
The doors are on your left.
If you need to transfer, look out for the coloured signs and arrows when you exit. These will tell you where to go. If you are at your destination, then follow the exit signs.
Just as you scanned your subway card to enter a platform, you will also scan it a second time on your way out.
Myeongdong Shopping Street is exit 6. It's as simple as that. Check out my blog below for more about the subway system and recommended apps. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below, whether it's about the subway system or traveling in Korea in general. Thank you for watching and happy subway adventures!